Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your parents lost their jobs, your house isn't really yours anymore, and the entire world is suddenly broke. No war, no reset button, just chaos. That's the 2008 financial crisis. And here's the truth. Most people still don't understand what actually happened. And this is the scary part. The same mistakes are happening again, just dressed up in a different costume. So in this video, I'm going to explain the 2008 financial crisis like you're 5 years old. No jargon, no confusing charts, just one simple story that finally makes everything click. Once you see it, you'll never look at money, banks, or debt the same way again. All right, let's rewind for a second. Imagine America as a giant neighborhood. Every house is worth $200,000. Banks are happy. Families are happy. Everyone thinks prices only go up. So banks say, why not lend to everyone? Even people who don't have steady jobs, don't have savings, can barely pay the first bill. What could possibly go wrong? Here's the mistake. Banks started giving risky home loans called subprime mortgages. Think of it like this. You lend your PlayStation to a friend who already broke 3 controllers, and you say, don't worry, you'll totally take care of it. That's exactly what banks did. And here's the crazy part. They didn't even keep these bad loans. Banks bundled thousands of risky loans together and sold them as safe investments. It's like mixing rotten apples with fresh ones, blending them into juice and selling it as 100% healthy. Rating agencies slapped an A+ on it. Investors trusted it. Pension funds bought it. And even foreign countries bought it. Nobody checked what was inside. Then housing prices stopped rising, just stopped. People couldn't refinance. Monthly payments exploded. Defaults started piling up. And suddenly, banks didn't trust each other. Credit froze. Money stopped moving. That's when Lehman Brothers collapsed. And when that happened, the entire system panicked. This wasn't just Wall Street drama. This hit Main Street. Millions lost jobs. Homes were foreclosed. Retirement accounts got crushed. Entire careers disappeared. People who did nothing wrong paid the biggest price. And here's the lesson most people miss. The 2008 crisis wasn't about houses. It was about not understanding money systems. People trusted rules they didn't understand, products they couldn't explain, and debt that looked harmless until it wasn't. And that's why this still matters today. Because different tools, same mistakes are happening again. Now here's the real question. If one misunderstood system was powerful enough to crash the entire world in 2008, what do you think happens to people who don't understand money in 2026? That's why I made my next video. It's about how people are building real income systems today. Not shortcuts, not hype, but skills and decisions that actually compound. If you want money to finally make sense and work for you instead of against you, watch that next.